hardly rains in Arizona, but when it does, it pours. There's so much water. It rains so hard. I don't even want to cross this area over here because it's too much water. And I don't want to cross over here because it's too much water. So let's go through the car to get to the other side. Or, just kidding, because the child lock is on there. So I gotta go up front.
Okay, go.
I already been in the toilet.
Reza taking advantage of it raining and playing in the rain. All right, so we just picked up some In-N-Out, and here's a tidbit that I didn't know. On rainy days, In-N-Out serves free hot cocoa to kids. So of course, Azim was super happy about that, right?
Not that hot. Nice.
How do you like your burgers? Animal style? Here's little Laylee eating some... She's being angry, eating some fries and hamburger. Laylee like this. And here's some shots from our rain camera of the rainstorm, just so you guys can see how much wind and rain we actually got. It actually ended up rotating the Ring camera so that it was slanted and facing the tree.